Hi guys, what's good? I am Maahek Nair and thank you for watching Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Today I'm here with you. As the festive season is in the air, we all are craving for sweets. I'm sure about it. So today I'm going to be doing a keto chocolate laddu for you. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Half cup coconut flour, half cup almond flour, that's grated crushed almond. Optional, Xanthan Gum, that's about a teaspoon we are going to put. Stevia powder, some prunes, and lastly MCT oil. So here I've taken a Lindt 99% and I've also taken a Lindt 90%. I'm going to put some water and melt the same. In a blender we are going to add coconut flour, some almond flour, little Xanthan Gum, a teaspoon of stevia powder, 4 pieces prunes, and about a tablespoon of MCT oil. And now we're going to empty it into a plate. So we're going to take one laddu, wrap it over the chocolate, there we go, and place it in our tray. And we are going to refrigerate them for about 15 to 20 minutes and our delicious keto chocolate laddu bites are ready. Our keto chocolate laddu is ready. It's loaded with fats, it's loaded with proteins, it's extremely low in calories, that means you can eat guilt-free. Thank you for watching our videos. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do a lot of videos on food, we have a lot of videos on training, which is Maahek's core pilates and high intensity training by Ravi. We also have a lot of information videos which can help you to start your journey towards fitness. So please stay tuned with us. Request you to also please share the channel with as many friends and family people as possible so that they can take the benefit out of the same. Thank you so much. See you next time.